Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 Dove equipment trailer. At the front we do have a heavy duty jack as well as your bumper pull. There is a basket for storage or your chains. We have the breakaway box. This trailer does have corrosion repair paint. There are step ups and tie down points on the sides of your equipment trailer. There is pressure treated wood flooring. There's a front passenger side tire mount as well as stake pockets on the side of this equipment trailer. There are diamond plate fenders. This trailer is a Dovetail and has the mini King Kong ramps. These ramps do flip up for travel and are attached with a arm lock. There are LED brake lights. This equipment trailer does have two 7,000-pound axles. On 16-inch wheels and rims. Once again, this is a 7x16 Dovetail equipment trailer with mini ramps. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.